I'm your host from PureRtech, the channel where we explore everyday tech that actually helps. If you enjoy practical gadgets with real value, hit subscribe and let's get started. Meet the Lexall Flashlight, a compact EDC powerhouse built for everyday and outdoor use. With 1,200 lumens of bright LED light and a 180-degree rotating head, it adapts to any situation. Choose from 6 lighting modes, including red and blue flash for emergencies. Rechargeable, magnetic, and clip-equipped, it easily attaches to keys or pockets, making it a perfect practical gift. Introducing the Eller Santé 23-watt Magnetic MagSafe 3-in-1 wireless charger, designed for the latest iPhone 12 to 17 series. Enjoy fast, stable magnetic charging for your iPhone, plus support for AirPods and Apple Watch in one sleek setup. The powerful 23-watt adapter ensures efficient power delivery, while the clean white design keeps your desk modern, organized, and cable-free. Meet the ZENOVA 33-in-1 cordless electric screwdriver, built for precision and power. With a smooth 360 RPM motor and a 1,200 milliamp USB rechargeable battery, it handles industrial work, home repairs, DIY projects, and delicate electronics with ease. The compact, ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, while the 33-bit set adds versatility, backed by a reliable 2-year manufacturer warranty. Experience powerful sound with Hammer Screen TWS earbuds, featuring large 13mm drivers for deep bass and clear vocals. Enjoy immersive listening with up to 32 decibels active noise cancellation, or switch to transparency mode when needed. With Bluetooth V5.4, custom EQ modes, Type-C fast charging, and an impressive 50 hours of total playtime, these true wireless earbuds deliver style, comfort, and performance in one sleek white design. Introducing the eGate Atom 3X projector, delivering stunning 4K Ultra HD support with native Full HD 1080p clarity. Featuring 300 ISO brightness and a smart, rotatable design, it adapts perfectly to any room. Built-in Android gives easy access to Netflix and Prime Video. With ARC, HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and seamless screen mirroring, home entertainment becomes effortless. Keep your laptop cool with the Lapcare Chillmate powerful laptop cooler pad, built with dual 125mm fans for strong airflow and silent performance. Adjustable fan speed controls let you balance cooling and noise easily. Powered via USB, it features a 5-step retractable stand for ergonomic comfort and a built-in mobile holder, making work, gaming, and long sessions smoother and more reliable. Discover the BOSCH 16-in-1 multi-tool, designed for versatile home and DIY tasks. Packed with 16 essential functions, it handles cutting, tightening, opening, and fixing with ease. The compact, durable build fits comfortably in your hand or pocket. A secure safety pouch keeps tools organized and protected, making this multi-tool a reliable companion for daily repairs, travel, and emergency situations. Meet the SKEIDO Finger Robot Smart Switch Button Pusher, a simple way to automate your everyday switches. Using Bluetooth and the Smart Life app, you can turn devices on or off with scheduled time control. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, it supports voice commands for hands-free convenience. Easy to install and compact in design, it's perfect for smart home upgrades without rewiring. Introducing the Missyou 3D Hologram Fan, a 16.5-inch holographic advertising display designed to grab instant attention. Powered by 224 bright LEDs, it creates stunning 3D visuals using a built-in library of 700 videos. With a slim 1.2-inch body, USB support, and easy setup, it's perfect for business stores, bars, casinos, parties, and Halloween promotions in a sleek black design. Introducing the Mini Wireless Wi-Fi Security Camera, a compact yet powerful solution for home and office monitoring. It records crisp HD 1080p video and features low-light vision for clear footage even in dim conditions. Portable and magnetic, it installs easily without hassle. With wireless connectivity and a discreet black design, it delivers reliable indoor security anytime, anywhere. Meet the TOMAHAWK TLL02 Compact 2 Green Line Laser Level, designed for precise construction and DIY projects. Projecting bright green cross lines up to 98 feet, it self-levels for accurate vertical and horizontal alignment. The adjustable brightness ensures clear visibility in any lighting, while its compact design and stable base makes setup quick and easy. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking efficiency, accuracy, and convenience in one durable tool. Organize your space effortlessly with the About Space Pegboard Wall Organizer Set. This set includes one black pegboard, 36 by 56 centimeters, and 10 versatile accessories: hooks, clips, stand, container, and self-adhesive sticker for customizing your home, office, kitchen, or bathroom. The durable PP design allows easy wall mounting and flexible arrangement, keeping essentials within reach while adding a sleek, modern touch to any room. Perfect for decluttering and stylish organization. Experience lightning-fast storage with the SanDisk Extreme Portable 2TB SSD. With read speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second and write speeds of 1,000 megabytes per second, it handles large files and backups effortlessly. Built for durability, it offers 3-meter drop protection and IP65 water and dust resistance. Hardware encryption keeps your data secure, while compatibility with PC, Mac, and Type-C smartphones adds convenience. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this sleek black external SSD combines speed, reliability, and portability. Enhance your mobile photography with the Digitek DPH002L smartphone camera grip. Featuring an adjustable fill light and Bluetooth remote, it ensures perfect lighting and hands-free shooting. The stable ABS Plus magnet grip supports both horizontal and vertical phone mounts, ideal for vlogging, selfies, and live streaming. Equipped with a Type-C rechargeable 800 mAh battery, it delivers long-lasting performance. Compact and portable, this grip makes capturing professional quality photos and videos effortless for creators on the go. Level up your gaming setup with the Redragon K617 Fizz 60% wired RGB gaming keyboard. Featuring 61 compact keys with stylish white and gray keycaps, it offers a sleek and minimalistic design. The linear red switches provide smooth, responsive keystrokes for fast-paced gaming. Fully customizable RGB lighting and pro driver software support allow personalized setups, macros, and profiles. Durable and portable, this mechanical keyboard delivers performance, style, and precision for gamers of all levels. Transform any space with the 194 Store 5-meter smart RGB neon LED strip lights. Control vibrant colors and effects easily via app or remote, or sync with music for dynamic lighting that moves to the beat. Perfect for rooms, gaming setups, parties, Diwali, or home decoration, these flexible rope lights add style and energy to any environment. Easy to install and fully customizable, they bring a fun, immersive lighting experience wherever you need it. Upgrade your audio setup with the Cubetek CB27 3-in-1 LCD display Bluetooth 5.0 transmitter and receiver. This versatile adapter supports AUX, optical, and dual link connections, making it perfect for TVs, home stereos, PCs, headphones, and speakers. Easily switch between transmitting and receiving modes while enjoying stable Bluetooth 5.0 performance. The built-in LCD display provides clear status updates, ensuring seamless setup and operation. Compact, reliable, and compatible, it's ideal for enhancing any audio experience. Enjoy outdoor adventures with the small-sized stainless steel smokeless wood-burning fire pit, VDFP-9W. Measuring 23 by 23 by 24 centimeters, this compact 9-inch fire pit is perfect for bonfires, camping, hiking, fishing, picnics, and mountaineering. Its smokeless design ensures cleaner, safer fires, while durable stainless steel construction provides long-lasting performance. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry and set up, making it an ideal companion for cozy outdoor gatherings and unforgettable adventures.